string which is containing 2 to 9 inclusively, okay, means 9 is included, and you have to return the all the possible letter combination that number could represent, okay. The representation can be in any order. You have to return the possible letter combination, okay. So let's understand with an example. Here is given a 2. Here is given a string. Here is given a string 2 and 3, okay. So here is given a string 2 comma 3, okay, 2 3, sorry, 2 3. So you have to find the letter combination, okay. You have to return every letter combination that could be followed if you click 2 and 3 number, okay. So 2 contain ABC and 3 contain DEF. So in 2 contain string A, B, C, okay. This is a string, and 3 contain DEF, okay. So the 3 contain DEF. So this is the string. So let's make the letter combination. So by pressing 2 and 3 you can get A, D, ED. First you will get AD string. This is a string, and then you will get B, sorry, then you can get AE, AE, and then AF, okay, and then we will go to B. It is BD. These all are string BD, and then BE, and then BF, and then move to C, CD, CD, CE, and CF, okay. So you have to return all the string uh, all the string which can be made through the string given uh, in integer string, okay. So we will first map the element with so let's do this. First I will create vector. I have to return the vector int, sorry, string answer, okay. This will store my answer, and I will check if digit length, if digit if digits dot length is equals to 0, then I have to return the empty vector, okay, which is answer. And then I create int I equals to 0, which will traverse through the digit, okay. And string output, and I will map string mapping of 10 is equals to, and then ABC comma DEF comma GHI comma JKL, and then I will map all the string which is of number, and then PQRS comma TUV comma WXYZ, okay. I will map all these string, and then I will pass the function solve, which in which I will pass the digits comma output comma I comma answer comma mapping, okay. I just pass this in my solve function, and after this I will return the answer, okay. So so let's make the function void solve string digit comma string output comma int I comma vector string ampersand answer and string, and I will also pass the string mapping. Okay, so I will check if I is greater than equals to digit dot length. If it is greater than digit dot length, then I have to do answer dot push back output. Okay, you just have to do answer dot push back output and you have to return and equals to int num equals to digit of I minus 0 and string value is equals to mapping of num, and then for int j equals to 0 comma j less than value dot length, and then I have to do j plus plus. Okay, output dot push back value of j, and then you just have to pass the solve function with digits comma output comma I plus 1 answer comma mapping output dot pop back, then you just have to do output dot pop back. So here is the function and let's run this code. Here is an error of string mapping. Okay, I have to pass the string. So let's again run this code. It's digit here is comma. Yeah, let's submit this. Okay, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching my video.